Hello, little puddins. All right, so today we're going to work on simplifying fractions, okay? So I'm just going to move my face here and put it over here. Okay, so our fraction right now is 14 over 21. Now, it already has it simplified for us, but we need to understand how we got that answer, right? So do you remember way back at the beginning of the year, we did rainbow factors. And what rainbow factors are, that really helps you make sure that you have all of the factors for that particular multiple. Okay, so what multiplication problems can make 14? Well, I can do 1 times 14. Now, I know that I got the lowest number that's possible and the highest number that's possible. So now I only have to get factors that go in between 1 and 14. How else can I get 14? Well, not 6. That's not going to work. I could do 2 times 7. So pretend that is a 2 there. And that's it. That's the only multiplication problems that make 14. Okay, so now let's do 21. I could do 1 times 21, can't do 2. I could do 3 times 7, can't do 4, can't do 5, can't do 6. That's it. Okay, so what is my greatest common factor? It's 7, right? So now I know, okay, well, I have to divide both of these by 7. And what will my answer be? If I don't know, I can look back to my factor tree and I can see that right here I have 7 times 2. So I know if 2, ooh, that's an ugly 2. Let's do that again. If 2 times 7 is 14, then I know that 14 divided by 7 is 2. That's fact families. I'm going to do the same thing for 21. I know that 3 times 7 is 21, so that means that 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay? Now, the good thing is, when you look at these slides, you can see their factors. Their factors are there for some of them. Some of them they're not. So like, for example, 36. I know there's 1 times 36, but I also know there's 2 times 18. I will need to fill in all of these before I know what my factor is. And then I'll be able to put my answer down here. Okay? Take your time, use your multiplication chart, remember your fact families. You can do it.